Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome coming up to the blue corner, Ronnie Maldonado. Please welcome coming up to the red corner, Carl Douglas Martin.
Gerardo last December, Carl Martin, 19, and that's a losing effort against a super bantamweight title. Sa mga siguro magtataka or magtatanong, here tonight at the Inorda Sports Complex.
Simula na po ng pakpakan round number 1. Multicolor naman po yung trunks nitong si Ronnie Baldonado. Baldonado dito sa simula ng
Si Baldonado, kanya, he's looking at the body right now. He really careful for that glancing shots. That's a good body punch there.
si Baldonado. So Martin still trying to figure out kung paano niya
Statement as early as the first round para paramdam niya kung gaano kabigat yung mga sin. Pero it's very obvious ito nga si Carl Martin.
Yeah, Baldonado would want to so he has to establish. Martin think about his offensive attacks, pero as we see,
the Wonder Boy.
Baldonado shans up top.
Simula doon sa left hook Baldonado, pero that's a good right straight.
Referee warning both. So
It's too early to say kung hiatus. Nearly 3-year hiatus nga ni Balsing Pace against a multi-dimensional fighter.
In some of his offense, samantala si Martin naman very patient. In that nagmamadali rito, hindi niya masyado.
Win situation, lalo nakaka-announce lang that he is now part of.
This is round number, mga kaibigan, Martin. Martin, knocked down right there.
Right, nabangan ni Baldo counter right on the bottom niya.
Si Martin napangiti dun sa knockdown na yun. Wala naman sa kanya yung knockdown.
Yes, may urgency.
But again, yung pinuto natin kanina na gustong tong si I think with that knockdown, mukhang nakuha niya. And Martin right here.
It's a bit reckless in this fight. He's swinging for his...
Parang medyo may napindot na buton itong si Baldonado after bumilis dito.
And so he's pressing, is actually dictating you, determined to at least change the tide of this round.
And Baldonado, Martin.
Parang may red ni Carl Martin. I believe that's from the right cross na binitawan kanina. Drop Carl Martin in the early goings.
Baldonado missing yung kanyang right and left hooks.
That's a good 1-2 partner. Means that he
And hindi pa rin naman sa simula ng laban. And mukhang nakarecover.
Malaki na yun para dito kay Ronnie Baldonado kasi naipahatid na niya yung mensahe niya kanina na hindi mo pa...
Si Ronnie Baldonado, how would Carl Martin would adjust?
Ito pong si Baldonado, yun ang kanyang paboritong itapon dito sa under his left eye.
Is pressing. Ito nga si... You can see that Carl Martin to startle him with his attacks kasi obviously is the much quicker fighter between the two. Try to utilize him
Using the ring better dito sa laban ito.
Alam niya kung saan siya papasok, alam din niya kung saan siya hindi na natin masisi yan because he's a bit more recklessness kanina. Kumaga nahuli siya ng counter right and unfortunately cost him on the scorecards doon sa second round knockdown na nidanto ni Baldonado.
Nagpapatinag dito kay Carl Martin, although at least dito sa round number 3 looping right and left hands na nakapag kay Carl Martin.
Gusto ko makita dito kay Carl Martin so far kasi hindi pa siya nakakatama na just to at least to stop in his tracks ito nga si Baldonado. Ito making movements.
si Carl James Martin. 10 seconds of round number 3.
That's a tough round to score, partner.
Well, we know that Carl James Martin, kung
Yung mga ploys niya na at least maging compose siya. Kaya ito nga sa round 4 para ma-execute niya.
he needs to go to the bottom down. And
Pero yung vindication up ko ngayon,
napapatigil siya.
I think nagdadalawang isip siya kung ibabato niya o he will keep it up, bumato ulit ng counter straight. Lumatak dito kay Carl James Martin.
Kay Carl James Martin, pero yung accuracy, yung Ronnie Baldonado.
Since na ginawa ni Ronnie Baldonado in the second round for Carl James Martin. So he doesn't mind fighting back kasi kung madadali niya ng
Puzzle para dito kay
about there on the part of Baldonado. These rounds, nasa 4th round pa lang tayo. And we all know that Carl
Baldonado is really sky high. Alam niya kasi na susubukan na talaga nila Hindi rin naman na nagpapatinag dito.
Let's look at this. Ngayon, ito nga si Carl James is on papalit ng complexion. Pero still, it's the same story.
Challenger si Ronnie Baldonado despite having Cebu in 2019.
Ngayon, pwede na natin sagutin na pinasok ito.
Baldonado again scored that in the second round.
Kanina na partner, natanong mo sa akin kung ano magiging factor nga nito ni Luisito Lindol experience din na pwedeng i-import ito ngang si Luisito Espinosa in this kind of magnitude for Ronnie Baldonado is give him ng isang title fight.
Si Carl James Martin nahihirapan pa rin na patamaan yung kanyang target. Martin with the jab, pero nagkauntugan sila doon.
Look at the resume ng sir, yes. Pero this is the big one. The Philippine title, featherweight title. So, maaaring chap after dito nga kay Ronnie Baldonado.
It's a grand opportunity. Kung biglang bibitaw ng
That could shock out from Carl James Martin. Change the title. Again, it's not how you started it. But
Yes. Kulang pa rin sa mga significant.
again, it's not how you hit. So,
The key here not to get frustrated. Ika nga timing ng kanyang mga atake against
So, has yet to go the distance. Ito nga sinasabi natin na completely. Nakikita naman natin dito. Doon sa maximum. This is his first fight.
Baldonado had Martins as Martin was able to get out of there. May reaction kagad yung crowd. Pareho pa rin, ano? Simula nung nag-umpisa po itong laban. Napapansin natin, medyo mabigat na yung kanyang paghinga rito in round number 6.
Ito nga si Carl James Martin. Kahit pa paano, hindi mapipitawan niya itong kanang kamay niya for the 2 inches. Ito ni Carl James Martin sa pitik-pitik ng jab. It's fully scoring. And for sure, it's a much better round for Carl James Martin. Yes. So for a much better round for the Wonder Boy.
Of this 12-round fight, si Baldonado naghihintay ng pagkakataon niya. Tulan yung kanyang
Great point kanina, great observation kanina kaya ito nga si Ronnie Baldonado. Sila, let's see kung ito nga ang fatigue on the part of Ronnie Baldonado and him to capitalize on that. Pero Pero so far, kahit pa paano, hindi na dun sa mga paa
Right.
ni Carl James Martin.
Go to the body nitong si Balaban nito kasi nangangalahan perfect moment for Carl Martin to launch his offense and land some more combination kasi niya yung ulo ni Baldonado but Baldonado is being elusive atake ni
Parang ang missing dito kay Carl James Martin to headhunt him in this fight.
great shot kay Baldonado. I think a grazing right to si Carl James.
Dwelling under the right eye of Carl James Martin. Somehow changed the body after that big shot in this round.
And Baldonado able to land a big right kanina po. Another
Martin. It's the same as chicken. Konting step back. Papalo ito ng right hand. Ito nga si
from right uppercut galing kay Carl James Martin as of this round. And the right hand of that 7th round. He was able to land an uppercut in that.
Magdalawang magkaibang stance. Is, kunyari po, ng stance. Nakikita niya yung advantages nila. Kaya naging talaga yung strong punch ni Ronnie Baldonado. Itong
Martin still looking to land the punch na magpapaatras dito kay Ronnie Baldonado. Pero so far,
Underboy is fighting fire and fire.
looks like Baldonado is running out of steam here.
Carl James Martin is captain.
Martin is pouring it on against Baldonado and him trapped on that corner. Ngayon naman sa ropes.
In this fight,
There's a left and a right. Dalawang champion. So para dito ito pong si Baldonado was able to answer.
from that punishment, napakagandang laban.
And Baldonado was Carl James Martin.
This is a big round. Not only to put him to win this round, but also mentally.
Yes.
Kailangan na to from Carl James Martin.
Last 10 seconds of this round.
Fourth round.
Kasi yung Ronnie Baldonado and
Change the tide, of course. Nararamdaman niya kahit pa paano that he's been delikado pa rin.
oo.
Which reason? For a valid reason. Tama
Pero
ka dyan, Park.
yung swelling dun sa dahil mukhang mas nakita pa after that round number 8.
Mukhang pinapa si Wonder Boy. Pero ang kasamaang balad, nakakabato. Hindi tama rin ng right hands.
But there's a good right hand, Martin.
Nice!
And a left hand.
That's a nice left hand.
Another right. And a right jab. Left hand, pasok na naman. Nakakuha ni Carl James Martin yung dito nagpapakita yung mga champion. Nagbimitis na yung kanyang mga sundok dito. Right jab from Martin. And itong si Baldonado.
Hey, ni Carl James Martin na parang tinanggal na niya yung fear or pagbabantay niya sa right hand.
Itong camp ni Martin
Diba sabi nga nila may rason bakit nila kinuha nga itong si maturity as a fighter ay malaki na big boost from Carl James.
turnaround since round number 9 na to. Aba, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Plus, babalik na sa corner itong dalawang
That's it.
fighters.
Protect yourself.
The referee saying, dapat nga, may last 10 seconds pa. Kaya ang ginawa niya, mabilis yung kanyang reaction doon. Dito sa laban. Meanwhile, Carl James Martin still with that same bounce sa kanyang dalawa. And I think nabitbit ni Carl James Martin yung
Kay Mark Altinera. But again, this is a different kind of fight kasi adversity kaagad ang bumuha ito nga sa rounds 9 and 10. Yes, round 9 and 10.
left, right.
Carl James Martin na is over it.
Ito na. Maldonado is picked.
He's pouring it in, partner.
Trap on the ropes. Halos helpless na siya rito.
James
Nagkakagulo na po.
Martin
Kaliwat
with a
kanan.
non-stop punches.
Sa Elorde Sports Complex, Donado.
James Martin. Here.
Wala na yung
Ito kay
mga
Ronnie Baldonado.
bilis at power dun sa suntok ni Baldonado. Baldonado looking glazed.
Look at the heart of a champion na pinapakita ni Carl James. It's very important from round 7 up to James Martin. It's a must-win round.
Now, gusto niya na makakita rito ng malakas na atake from Gulares sa corner ni
Carl James up along the ropes. He's a bit out of there. Ito nga si Baldonado is trying to fight back. Throwing bombs to the body. Carl James Martin, that's a bit dangerous position. There you go. Carl of the ring.
Martin shrugs it off. Last 10 seconds.
Carl James Martin tried to snatch this round.
Both fighters.
The referee is checking kung Dol is trying to
Dito sa lap.
put fire at least to motivate ito
Yes.
nga si Ronnie
2
Baldonado.
rounds.
The crowd is chanting Wonder Boy, Wonder Bertin smells blood.
Yes.
Baldonado.
Reminds me of that fight ni as he was actually bleeding yung corner
Let's see.
ng kanyang kalaban
I
to
think
stop
we're
the
just
fight.
moment. Ronnie Baldonado is trying to fight back. This is a Gallagher stab.
But he's getting hammered. Oh, the referee.
It is all over.
The referee steps in.
Champion and your new WBA
Asia.
Asia.
Si Baldonado was like a very
Richard Schaefer that it didn't.
Nicole knockout, and steal. Dominance.